Hi, and welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about the opportunities of Industry 4.0 in the waste management industry. Any idea about what those opportunities are? Well, let's find out. So the first opportunity is the adoption of the circular economy, or rather to accelerate the adoption of the circular economy. So the circular economy is basically the economic model where you take waste and refeed it into the production process. We are going to find out more about the circular economy in the next few lectures. Next, usage of cyber-physical systems for continuously monitoring things like gases and soil contamination. So, for those of you who don't know what cyber-physical systems are, there's an entire section dedicated in this course for that. Moving on, we can use 3D printing or additive manufacturing to create much more sustainable products. And the fourth opportunity is proactive decision making. Instead of taking decisions based on reactions, we can use data, insights, and analytics to make proactive decisions. And finally, the creation of new business models. So in our next few lectures, we're going to find out and go a little bit deep into what those opportunities are. I'll see you in the next lecture.